Magandang hapon po ng May 9, 2024, Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng May 9, 2024, Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, May 9, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for May 9, 2024, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimate of Lotto 642 is 53.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 15.8 million pesos for Thursday, May 9, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for May 9, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.